We are through with the first rule of model town board. The second rule says, use the longest and most correct route without using parking. So start the engine, stop, give way, make a complete. This one, stop, give way, join immediate lane, change lane to the first industrial lane, indicate left, stop, give way, stop for pedestrian, then you follow that. That one, we have look at the second rule of model town board. Then the other one, the last rule says use the parking as the last option. So start the engine, stop, give way. You can come here, make complete, come here, stop, join immediate lane, come here, change lane to the first industrial lane at the roundabout, stop and give priority vehicle from your right hand side. When the road is clear, indicate left, then pass through angle parking, indicate right, stop, give way, stop for pedestrian, then we follow that. So those are the three rules of model town board. Then at the roundabout, here, aionyesi kichwa yangu, there's no problem. So rules of roundabout. 1, no reversing. We are not allowed to reverse at the roundabout. The second rule, no overtaking. The third rule, no stopping, and lastly, no change of lane. So if you are from lane 1, we stick to lane 1, use the option of lane 1, then we get out of the roundabout. So that is the features of model town board. The other one, let's try to solve some questions. Question. We have been asked to bring this car in front of this one. That's first question that we can get. So to solve this kind of question, we know very well that this lane 4 has got 4 options, where the first one is to make a U-turn, the other one is to make an L-turn to right, the other one was to make an O-turn, and lastly is to make complete. So since this vehicle is in the lane 4 at right continuous, we are going to make O-turn to this direction, left direction. Then from this point at right dotted, we change lane to the first industrial lane. Then here we stop and give way for oncoming vehicle, join immediate lane, stop, give way for pedestrian, indicate right, turn, then stop, give way for over oncoming, then join immediate lane. From this point, we should stop and give priority vehicle from our right hand side because traffic goes anti-clockwise at the roundabout. Indicate left, pass through angle parking, then indicate right, stop, give way, indicate right, stop and give way for oncoming vehicle. When the road is clear, indicate right, stop for pedestrian, then coming here, we should start indicating 50 meters in advance, then join immediate lane in this direction, this lane here. Then since we are to bring this car in front of this and it's already in lane 4, which means we are not going to pick lane 4, we are going to pick lane 3. Then we leave with lane 3. Then we change lane at white dotted, then it is in front of that car. Another question, we may be asked to take this vehicle behind this one and this place has been closed. So here, when we consider the 3 rules of model town board, one says use the shortest and most correct route without using parking. The other one says use the longest and most correct route without using parking. And the last one says use parking as the last option. So we are going to use the parking first because when we take lane 4, we are going to make a U-turn. And here we are not allowed to make a U-turn. Then start the engine, change lane to the first industrial scene, get left, then use parking as the last option, you get right, stop, give way, you get right, stop for pedestrian, then start indicating 50 meters in advance, join immediate lane, then let us now pick lane 3, then leave lane 3, because since we were required to bring that car behind it, that's the only way. So that is the first rule. So when we back on the lanes and their options, we have there are two types of road on a minor road. The first one is called major road, and the other one is called a minor road. So a major road is a road that has got 4 lanes, while a minor road is a road that has got 3 lanes. Each lane has got their names and function to the roundabout, where counting of lane begins from outermost lane to the innermost lane. So the first one, lane 1, has got 2 options, where correct. The first one, start the engine. Okay, the first lane has got 2 options, where you can make an L turn to left or you go straight in that order. The other option, you take first lane and then now straight. The last is you take lane 1, make an L turn. Second decimal has got 2 options, make an L turn to right, leave the filter. The other one is take lane 3, then leave the lane 3. That is second decimal of the minor road. And lastly, has got 4 options. The first one is to make a U-turn back on this side. The other one is to make an L turn to right. The other one is to make an O turn leading to left direction. The other one is to make complete turn, which goes straight. So those are the option of this lane and how they are being applied. When we come to lane 3 of the minor road, which has got lane 3 has got 2 options. Lane 3 has got 2 options, where the first 2 options will pick lane 3 at the roundabout, while the last 3 options we use the option that we got from roundabout lane, where the first one is to make an L turn to right, leave the lane 3. The other one is to take lane 3, go straight with lane 3. Then the remaining 3 options, we are to use the lanes that are borrowed from innermost. One is to make a U-turn, then the other one is to make an O turn to left direction, and the lastly is to make L turn to right. So those are the features and the options of the lanes. So we shall look at the sample question next time.